Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, and realizing you made money in your sleep. No boss, no customers blowing up your phone, no exhausting hours grinding away. Just cold, hard cash flowing into your account, while you did absolutely nothing. That's what most people think. But right now, a small group of people are quietly using this hidden strategy to turn nothing into thousands. And more importantly, can you do it too? The side hustle that starts at $0. Most side hustles need money to get off the ground. You need capital to start a business, buy inventory, or run ads. But what if I told you that some of the most profitable online businesses today started with exactly $0? The ability to build income streams using skills, knowledge, and smart automation rather than upfront cash. And it all comes down to one thing: digital assets. A digital asset is anything that can be created once and sold over and over again. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, where you trade time for money, digital assets work for you even when you're not working. 1. Licensable content, photos, music, and templates that people pay to use. 2. Ebooks and guides, digital products that sell on autopilot. 4. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters without ever touching inventory. 5. AI-powered services. Use free AI tools to generate logos, business names, and even entire marketing plans. Each of these can be built with zero upfront costs, but once they're set up, they generate income repeatedly. Step 2. Automate the income flow. The difference between someone making a few dollars online and someone making thousands? Automation. The rich don't work harder. They build systems that do the work for them. Let's say you create a simple digital guide. 1. A free blog post brings in traffic. 2. That traffic leads to an email list. 3. The email list promotes your digital product. Once the system is built, it keeps earning, without you lifting a finger. Here's where most people go wrong. They believe they need to invest thousands in ads to make money. But the secret to going from $0 to $10,000 is scaling with free traffic. You can grow without spending a dime using 1. SEO and blogging. Write content that ranks on Google and brings in passive visitors. 2. TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Post viral videos with links to your digital products. 3. Reddit and Quora. Answer questions and direct people to your offers. 4. Pinterest and Instagram Reels. Share visually appealing content that drives traffic. Most people overlook these strategies, but the few who master them generate thousands in passive income without ad costs. Real-life success stories. To prove that this isn't just theory, let's look at real people who have turned $0 hustles into thriving businesses. 1. Sarah, a college student, started selling Canva templates on Etsy. 1. She uploaded a few designs, and within 6 months, she was making over $5,000 per month, with no upfront cost. 2. Today, he earns from YouTube ad revenue and affiliate marketing, all from videos he doesn't even appear in. 3. Lisa, a stay-at-home mom, created a simple digital planner and sold it on Gumroad. 3. With just a few social media posts, she made $10,000 in her first year. These people had no special skills, no startup money, and no huge social media following. What they had was the ability to take action. 1. It doesn't make big companies money. 2. Unlike drop shipping. 3. Amazon FBA. 5. This doesn't require expensive courses or paid software. 6. It challenges the traditional way of thinking. 7. Schools teach you to get a job. 8. Society tells you to trade time for money. 9. Most people are too impatient. 9. They want results overnight. 9. But those who take the time to build digital assets are the ones who quietly get rich while everyone else works a 9-to-5. Right now, you have two choices. You can keep trading time for money, waiting for the right moment to start building wealth, or you can be one of the few who actually uses this strategy. The only question is, will you be one of them? If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.